Hello, yes, today we are going to be solving a problem on the board. Let me read the question and then we'll bring out the parameters from the question. An object of mass 15 kilogram is at the point of sliding down a plane inclined at 36 degrees to the horizontal. Find the least force parallel to the plane required to make the object to begin to move up the plane. So take G is equal to 10 meters per second square. Let's bring out the parameters and then we'll solve. An object solution of mass is equal to 15 kilograms, is at the point of sliding down a plane inclined at, so we have theta to be what, 36 degrees to the horizontal. Find the least force parallel to the plane required to make the object to begin to move up the plane. So we have G, take G equal to 10 meters per second squared. So we have G is equal to 10 meters per second squared. Okay, now before I solve, let me quickly draw the inclined plane and let's see how the object is on the inclined plane. So let's say this is the body, right? The weight is acting downward. The vertical, the horizontal, yeah, the horizontal weight component is acting down here. Then we have the weights, and then we have what we call the normal reaction. Then we have the applied force in this direction. Then we have the frictional force opposing the motion. Then we have the vertical weight component, which is W sine theta. W sine theta, okay? Now just imagine that we can tilt this angle, like we can increase it to like 90 degrees. We can increase this inclined plane to get to this point. It means the box will be like this, the applied force will be here, then we have this, the frictional force, then the parallel weight component W sine theta, and then the horizontal weight component will be somewhere like this, which is what, W cos theta. Okay, you see, no wonder this is sine theta, because sine theta goes with what, vertical, while cos theta goes with what, horizontal. Okay, now we have this. Okay, now I want to make this problem solving as simple as possible. So now to solve this problem, we're going to equate the up force equal to down force. What is the up force? We have P is equal to what, FR plus W sine theta. So it means the formula we're going to be using to solve is going to be what, P is equal to what, FR plus what, W sine theta. Okay, so if we have this, remember we have the normal reaction in this direction, right? Okay, so bear in mind we have our R. Bear in mind R is equal to W cos theta. Please, since we have gotten all the information we need, let me wipe the question so we can come up here and continue solving our problem. So let me bring the formula up. So it means we have P is equal to FR plus what, W sine theta. But frictional force is equal to what, mu R. Okay, and now we have established here that R is equal to W cos theta. So if R is equal to W cos theta, so we have mu is equal to what? Frictional force will now be equal to what? Mu W cos theta. We'll substitute this R for W cos theta. So we have mu cos W cos what? Cos what? Theta. Okay, so we can put this here. If we put this here, we have P is equal to what? Mu W cos theta plus W sine theta. So now let's check out our parameters. We are looking for P, okay, the force that will make this body to move up the plane. So now we don't have this mu, which is coefficient of friction. We have W, we have cos theta, we have W, we have sine theta. So let's find mu. Using this information, this expression, we can find mu. Okay, let's quickly find mu. So it means mu will be what? If we make mu the subject, we have mu is equal to what? F over R. Okay, Now F is equal to W sine theta and R is equal to what? W cos theta. Okay, so W will cancel W. Now in trigonometric ratio, sine theta all over cos theta is equal to tan theta. So we have mu to be equal to what? Tan theta. So I hope you are seeing what I'm doing. So and we have our theta to be 36 degrees. So mu is equal to what? Tan what? Tan 36. So if you punch your calculator in two decimal places, tan 36 degree will give us 0.73 degrees. So we have 0.73 degrees. So we have found our mu to be 0.73. We'll substitute it here. So let's continue solving. So we have P is equal to what? 0.73. Weight is mg. We don't have weight, but we can find weight. Okay, weight is mg, so we have weight to be what? Mg. That's 15 times 10. So 15 times 10 will give us what? 150. So we have 150 times what? Cos what? Cos of what? 36 plus w, no sorry, mg again. 15 times 10 will have 150 times sine 36 degrees. So I can wipe that information down there. Okay, I can wipe it. So if I have this, okay, so P will be equal to this times cos 36 degrees. Okay, if you multiply, use your calculator, you multiply this, you do cos 36 degrees first, okay, then multiply it by 150, you get an answer. Then multiply the answer by 0.73, you have 88.20. Then plus, okay, find sine 36 degree, with your calculator, then you multiply it by 150. If you do this, you have what? 88.59. Okay, now we'll add these two together. If you add this plus this, you have what? 176.79 Newton. Of course, force is measured in Newton. Okay, I hope you enjoyed today's problem solving. I'm Sibukola Joseph, the physics enthusiast. Bye.